Hello my goddesses and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the new Morphe 35M Boss Mood Artistry Palette. This palette comes with 19 mattes and 16 shimmers and retails for $24. Since this palette was so big for me to swatch live for you guys, I went ahead and just did the swatches on my arm off camera and did it row by row. So if you are concerned on what are the name of these colors and stuff like that, everything will be linked down into the description bar, so make sure you guys go check that out. Now, starting off with my eyes already primed, I'm going to be using the color Fired Up as a transition color, and I am applying that just above my crease to have a nice gradient. Then I'm going to go in to the color, I think it's called FTOD, and I'm going to be applying that into the crease as a nice red color. Up next, we have the color called Power Slayer, so I could get a nice wine berry looking color going on, and that's really going to pop out the color. Now I'm going to cut my crease with my favorite eye primer and get it ready for a blank canvas. Now I found out that when you are using the shimmer colors out of this palette, it's best that you wet your brush. So after I wet my brush, I'm going to use the color Stand Out and apply that all over the lid. Now I'm going to go back into the color called Power Slayer, and I'm going to go ahead and make that cut crease really nice and sharp. I like a nice line to tell that it's a cut crease. Next step is to apply red carpet underneath the waterline, as well as layer it with Fired Up. Now, taking Grape Expectations, I'm going to be popping that shimmery purple color right into the lid. Of course, everything was applied off of camera so far as lashes and liner, because y'all know how I feel about that. So this color is called, I think, Amore from the Milani line. I don't even know if they make this anymore, but if they do, it smells really good and it smells like chocolate. And that completes my look, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, I'm trying something new as always. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, and excuse my dancing, I was feeling myself. So give me a thumbs up and let me know what you guys think in the comments. See you later.